Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a depth sounder in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So in my case, I'm just using a generic NMEA model, but what I'm going to do is I've already hooked up to a rover in this project, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the top right corner to my instrument settings menu, and within my instrument settings menu I'm going to click on Sensor Configure and then the depth sounder in my peripherals option there. And you can see in my depth sounder menu here that I have selected my port as Bluetooth, and before the video began I hit that press to set up and found my own Bluetooth device. And then there are two different serial numbers associated with the DS100 that I'm using from SweGeo. In this case I know that the one I want to use is this DS22004, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit connect here, and what that's going to do is that's going to open up this menu here, and it's going to say successfully connected to the depth sounder. I can hit continue, close, and then I am ready to begin surveying. If I have this in a bucket of water or in a lake, pond, or river, I will get the depth of the water as well. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you connect any generic depth sounder to MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.